This is about the programming mode. In programming mode, I will show how to switch between the different modes of EDAS, how to operate or program your devices, how to conduct a simulation, and how to get an overview of the results of a simulated point cloud. First, we switch to programming mode. For this, we switch to the right tone bar, where we find 4 buttons in the second window, or at the second end in the second section from the top. One for the design mode, for the programming mode, for the execution mode, for the metrology mode. In programming mode, you program the devices and carry out the simulation. In execution mode, you operate the device and execute the pre-programmed programs. In metrology mode, you get an overview of the mentioned points. With a left click, you switch to programming mode. Here, a few of the windows have now changed. There, the 2 most important for programming have appeared. By left-clicking on the plus sign, you can add a new program. By double-clicking or pressing the Open button, you can now open the program and insert your commands. You can find these commands in the programming toolbar. The procedure is as follows. You move the robot and then insert a sequence one after another, which will be executed in sequence later. Here you can delete individual sections by selecting everything with the Shift key or individually with the Control key, and then pressing Delete. Similarly, you can insert individual commands in between by selecting a single program and command. In this case, this blue indicator then appears. This represents the current active program. Every command now added is then clicked.